So today I'm going to talk about the latest Gemma 412B model, and I will show you how to run it completely free and completely private. So first, let me tell you what Gemma 412B is. In very simple words, it is basically an AI model made by Google. The 12B means 12 billion parameters. Think of parameters like the brain cells of the model, and the best thing is this is an open model, meaning you can run it yourself on your own machine. So to run this, we are using Kaggle. It is a free platform, and here you get free T4 GPUs. Now, one important thing, you need to do phone verification here. Without phone verification, you will not get GPU access. So just go sign up, verify your number, and come back. Once you are in, create a new notebook or just use the link I'm sharing in the description. Just open that and you're good. Now, inside the notebook, you only have to run two commands. First command will clone the repo, and second command runs this setup file. And this file does everything for you. It will download Llama CPP binary, it will download the model, and at the end, it will give you a Cloudflare tunnel URL. The URL looks random, but it always works. Just open that URL in your browser, and you will get a beautiful chat UI by Llama CPP. And here is the best part, everything is running on Kaggle machine. Your data is going nowhere. You can ask anything, mean anything, and you are 100% safe. Now, let me show you how powerful this model actually is. We are going to test it with Cline. So, grab that Cloudflare URL, add slash v1 at the end, and put that in Cline as the OpenAI compatible base URL. For the API key, just type anything, does not matter. And for model ID, just come back to the chat UI, copy the model ID from there, and paste it. You can also set the context window here. And done, you are all set. So I gave it a prompt to make a landing page in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First response takes a little longer, but after that, everything is fast. And you can see Klein is creating files and writing code. Here, we have HTML and CSS and JS, and I ran this using Python HTTP server and opened it in VS Code simple browser, and honestly, it did a really good job. Good design, responsive, and it is actually working. And just think how powerful this small model is. You can do coding, you can get help in study, anything you want. And most important thing is you are 100% safe. Your data will not be used for training. You can do any kind of private chat, private code, personal questions, anything you want. Everything is in your hands. So the notebook link is in the description. Just open it, run two commands, and you're live. Drop a comment if you got it working or if you need any help. See you in the next one. So, yeah, that is my take. It is a solid, considerable model. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about Minimax M3? Like if this helped, and subscribe for more.